Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1SE Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. Let's tap on them, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on advanced and tap on backup. As you can see, it is defaultly set to the Google, so let's simply tap on edit account. Of course, if you do not have your account added to the device, because if you've got one, you will have to simply tap on it in order to enable the backup. If not, you have to add it just like I'm doing it right now. And be aware that you need the internet connection. Here we can either create a new account or type your email or phone, so let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will autofill the part after the @ symbol, as I said. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Alright, and here we've got the information about the backup. I'm not really sure, probably we will be transferred to another step, so let me tap on accept. But if not, I will show you everything. Alright, so here we've got it kind of highlighted that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. What is more, you're able to use 15 gigabytes of the Google account. You can, of course, manage the backup whenever you want to. You can, of course, your data will be stored securely. And you can, and your device will back up the data via the Wi-Fi. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we've got our Google account added right here. Basically, here we've got some details so that the Google Photos are turned off. I highly recommend to keep this option turned on, so you can be sure that your device will back up the data only with the usage of the Wi-Fi. And thanks to this, you can avoid some charges which may appear if you are using the mobile data. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.